Have you noticed something strange lately? Every time a new action camera launches, people compare it to GoPro for a few days and then move on. But this time feels different because the DJI Osmo Action 7 is not just another upgrade. This camera is starting to make people question whether GoPro is still the king of action cameras anymore. And honestly, after seeing what DJI is doing here, that question doesn't sound crazy at all. From insane stabilization improvements to smarter AI features, better low-light performance, longer battery life, and upgrades creators have been begging for, the Osmo Action 7 looks like DJI finally stopped playing safe. This feels like a camera designed to dominate YouTube creators, vloggers, bikers, travelers, and even professional filmmakers all at once. But here's the biggest surprise. Some early leaks and reports are suggesting that DJI may have fixed the one thing action cameras always struggle with the most. And if that turns out to be true, this could genuinely become the most important action camera launch in years. So in this video, we're breaking down everything about the DJI Osmo Action 7, all the rumored upgrades, what's changing, what could shock the entire action camera market, and why this camera might completely change the future of content creation. And trust me, the final rumored feature might be the craziest part of all. For the past few years, DJI has been quietly building momentum. While most people still instantly think of GoPro when they hear action camera, DJI has been improving at an unbelievable pace. The Osmo Action series started as a competitor, but now it feels more like a real threat. Every generation became smarter, smoother, and more creator-focused. And with the Action 7, DJI seems ready to push things much further. One of the biggest reasons people are excited is the rumored sensor upgrade. Action cameras are usually amazing outdoors, but the second lighting gets difficult, things fall apart, footage becomes noisy, details disappear, and everything starts looking soft and messy. That's been one of the biggest weaknesses in almost every action camera ever made. But according to leaks, DJI may finally be focusing heavily on low-light performance this time. If the Osmo Action 7 gets a larger sensor with better image processing, nighttime footage could look dramatically cleaner. Imagine recording city streets at night, bike rides during sunset, or cinematic travel shots without that ugly grain ruining the image. That alone would be a massive deal for creators. And stabilization. This is where DJI already has a strong reputation. A lot of people genuinely think DJI stabilization feels smoother and more natural than competitors. Walking shots, running shots, motorcycle footage, mountain biking, travel vlogs, DJI cameras already perform incredibly well. But the Action 7 is rumored to improve stabilization even further with smarter horizon leveling and AI-assisted motion correction. Think about that for a second. Tiny camera, violent movement, wind, speed, bumpy roads. Yet the footage still looks cinematic and smooth. That's the kind of thing casual viewers don't even notice consciously. But it completely changes how professional a video feels. And then we have battery life. This is another area where DJI has been quietly winning. Nobody wants an action camera that dies in the middle of a trip, especially travelers and outdoor creators. Rumors suggest the Osmo Action 7 could push battery efficiency even further, possibly becoming one of the longest-lasting action cameras ever released. That matters more than people think, because creators today are recording longer sessions than ever before. YouTubers vlog for hours, travelers shoot entire days, cyclists record long rides, motovloggers leave cameras running constantly. Better battery life means less stress, fewer interruptions, and more usable footage. But hardware alone is not enough anymore. Modern cameras are becoming smarter, and DJI knows that. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is AI-powered subject tracking and intelligent framing. If DJI fully integrates the tracking technology from its gimbals and drones into the Action 7, this could become an absolute game-changer. Imagine placing the camera somewhere and having it intelligently keep you in frame while moving. For solo creators, that's huge. Not everyone has a camera operator following them around. Smart tracking could make action cameras dramatically more useful for YouTubers, fitness creators, travelers, and even filmmakers. Another thing people are talking about is heat management. Overheating has become a serious issue in compact cameras, especially when recording high-resolution footage for long periods. Many creators are tired of cameras shutting down during important moments. DJI reportedly wants to improve thermal performance significantly with the Action 7, and if they actually solve overheating properly, creators are going to love this thing. Because reliability matters just as much as image quality. Nobody cares about fancy specs if the camera stops recording halfway through an adventure. Now let's talk about design. DJI usually keeps a clean and functional design language, but leaks suggest the Osmo Action 7 may become even more creator-friendly. Better button placement, improved touchscreen responsiveness, and possibly a brighter display for outdoor shooting could all be coming. That brighter screen sounds simple, but action camera users know how important it is. Recording under direct sunlight with a dim screen is frustrating. You can barely see exposure, framing, or settings. A brighter display instantly improves the entire experience. Audio could also see major improvements. And honestly, this is badly needed across the action camera industry. Most action cameras still sound average without external microphones. Whine noise, muffled voices, and inconsistent audio quality ruin otherwise great footage. DJI has experience with wireless microphones already, especially after the popularity of their mic systems. So if the Osmo Action 7 gets smarter audio processing or deeper integration with DJI microphones, that could seriously attract YouTubers and vloggers. Now here's where things become really interesting. There are rumors that DJI wants to push the Action 7 beyond just an action camera. They may want this to become an all-in-one creator tool. And that changes everything. Because content creation itself is changing. People don't just want cameras for extreme sports anymore. They want compact cameras for travel videos, TikToks, cinematic reels, documentaries, daily vlogs, short films, car videos, food content, and even professional work. The line between action cameras and traditional cameras is slowly disappearing. That's why this launch matters so much. DJI understands modern creators better than most companies right now. They know creators want portability, stabilization, reliability, easy workflows, and strong battery life more than complicated technical features. And honestly, that's one reason DJI products keep gaining popularity. They focus heavily on real-world usability instead of only marketing numbers. But of course, the biggest comparison will still be DJI versus GoPro. That battle is unavoidable. For years, GoPro completely dominated this space. The brand became almost synonymous with action cameras. But recently, many users feel DJI has been catching up extremely fast. Some even think DJI is already ahead in certain areas. That's why the Osmo Action 7 feels so important. This is not just another yearly refresh. This could be the camera that fully shifts public perception. Imagine if reviewers start saying the Action 7 has better stabilization, better battery life, better thermals, better low light, smarter AI features, and competitive image quality at the same time. That would put enormous pressure on the entire market. And competition is good for everyone. Because when companies fight harder, creators get better products faster. Another rumored feature that has people excited is improved vertical recording support. Short-form content completely changed the internet. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, vertical video is now unavoidable. Older cameras often treated vertical recording like an afterthought, but modern creators need fast workflows for both horizontal and vertical content. If DJI optimizes this properly, creators could instantly switch between YouTube videos and Shorts content much more efficiently. And speaking of creators, there's another reason this camera could explode in popularity: simplicity. A lot of beginners feel overwhelmed by professional cameras, lenses, settings, color profiles, overheating, storage management. It becomes complicated very quickly. Action cameras succeed because they remove friction. Press record and start creating. DJI seems to understand this perfectly. If the Action 7 delivers flagship-level quality while keeping things simple, it could become one of the best creator cameras for beginners and professionals at the same time. And honestly, that's probably DJI's real goal here. Not just making a good action camera, but making the easiest high-quality camera experience possible. Now obviously, we still need official confirmation for many of these leaks and rumors. Specs can change before launch. Some reports may turn out inaccurate, but even with that in mind, the excitement around this camera already feels unusually high. People are paying attention. Tech creators are talking about it. Camera fans are discussing it. Travelers, bikers, vloggers, and filmmakers are waiting to see what DJI does next. Because if DJI delivers on even most of these rumored upgrades, the Osmo Action 7 could easily become one of the hottest cameras of the year. And the craziest part is, this might only be the beginning. DJI is expanding aggressively across multiple creator categories now. Drones, microphones, gimbals, wireless systems, cameras, they're building an entire ecosystem. And the Action 7 could become one of the most important pieces of that ecosystem. Imagine seamless syncing between DJI devices, smarter editing workflows, AI-powered shooting assistance, better creator automation. We are moving toward a future where cameras do far more than simply record video, and DJI looks determined to lead that future. So now the big question is this: can the DJI Osmo Action 7 finally dethrone GoPro completely? Honestly, it's starting to feel possible. Because today, creators care less about brand loyalty and more about results. Whichever company delivers the smoother experience, better reliability, stronger battery, smarter features, and better footage will win. And DJI seems incredibly hungry right now. So if you're thinking about upgrading your action camera setup, this may be the launch worth waiting for. The Osmo Action 7 could end up becoming the camera that changes the entire market forever. But what do you think? Is DJI finally becoming the king of action cameras? Or does GoPro still hold the crown? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel because we're covering all the latest tech launches, leaks, and future gadgets right here. Trust me, the next few months in tech are going to be absolutely insane.